Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a FUK section in Framer. So let's get straight into it. Now the first step is that we need to draw a frame. So press F on your keyboard or go here at the top left corner where you see frame. Now I will drag this here, this frame like that. Alright, inside we will add a text, so I will select text right here. So for the question on the left and an icon like a or plus button or chevron on the right. So this one is for text, and right here I will add just an icon to have it here really quickly. I just need to move that right over here on the right side like that. And also I need to add this one here. Now we need to select both of them. So okay, so I will leave it like that. Now select both of them and press Ctrl Enter or CMD Enter to create a stack. Set distribution to space between. Now right click on your FUQ stack and select Create Component. In the component view, you will want variant 1 named closed, and then the answer text layer to visible. So set here visible to no, like that. Or you can change the opacity to 0 and height to 0 pixels. So let's go with visible to no. Now we need to create variant number 2. So let's create one. Okay, so now on the version 2, so let's make this one here variant 2. What we are going to do is rename it to open, like that. And now set the answer text layer to visible yes. So here we need to find text is visible. So right here, visible yes, no yes. This one here, we need to find the text. Now set to visible yes. Now if you have problem that if you change here on the primary, it will change also here on the secondary, what you need to do is basically here right click on it, and then you will need basically to separate from the primary. So if I show you like that, we have now, if I change here, okay, so I need to go a little bit like that. Now if I change this one here, as you can see, it also is hidden here on the secondary. So what I need to do is basically right click on it right here on that one, and then detach from primary like that. And now if I hide here on the primary on the left side, so visible no, like that, it won't be gone here on the secondary. All right, what we need to do now, is rotate the icon here for 45 degrees. Nothing special. So right here under the transform, I selected the rotate, and I will put it here 45 degrees like that. All right. Now, while in the component view, select the closed variant right here. And now in the interaction here at the top, select, I will put new transition. Let's go and then click start on top switch variant. Just if I go back, close that one, new event, and what we can do is open. If it doesn't work, we can just go with this one here. Just a moment, new transition, and let's go with the click variant. Will be closed like that. Now here the same on the second one, like that.